Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Selamat datang kembali ke channel saya. Dan hari ini kita akan belajar tentang kalimat tanya dalam bahasa Inggris. Dan saya langsung memberikan contoh-contoh kalimat tanya bahasa Inggris dan bahasa Indonesia. What, where, when, why, who. Apa, di mana, kapan, mengapa, siapa. What, apa. What is your mother's name? What is your mother's name? What is your friend's name? What is your friend's name? What does Celine think about your project? What does Celine think about your project? What does your friend think about your new book? What does your friend think about your new book? What did Sun eat yesterday? What did Sun eat yesterday? What did you bring for Kay last week? What did you bring for Kay last week? What was Sarah doing when you called? What was Sarah doing when you called? What were you doing when I came to your house? What were you doing when I came to your house? What have they been doing all day? What have they been doing all day? What will they wear tomorrow? What will they wear tomorrow? What will you bring next week? What will you bring next week? What do you do on the weekend? What do you do on the weekend? What do they write every day? What do they write every day? What do you think about my idea? What do you think about my idea? What does he type every evening? What does he type every evening? What does Andre bring for you every Saturday? What does Andre bring for you every Saturday? What did your mom cook yesterday? What did your mom cook yesterday? What did he watch last night? What did he watch last night? What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food? What is this? What is this? What are your hobbies? What are your hobbies? What are their jobs? What are their jobs? What kind of music do you like? What kind of music do you like? What kind of food do you like? What kind of food do you like? What time is it? What time is it? What time are you coming? What time are you coming? What magazine did he read last night? What magazine did he read last night? What book did you buy yesterday? What book did you buy yesterday? What can I do to help you? What can I do to help you? What can you do for me? What can you do for me? What are you doing here? What are you doing here? What is the solution for this problem? What is the solution for this problem? What are they talking about? What are they talking about? What is your problem? What is your problem? What makes the story interesting? What makes the story interesting? What brings you here? What brings you here? What should I do? What should I do? What is the meaning of? What is the meaning of? What is the solution? What is the solution? What song will you sing next week? What song will you sing next week? What country will you visit next month? What country will you visit next month? What program do you like? What program do you like? What food does she like? What food does she like? What book did you read last night? What book did you read last night? What did you bring for your family yesterday? What did you bring for your family yesterday? What magazine are you reading now? What magazine are you reading now? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? What is he cooking now? What is he cooking now? What newspaper have you bought? What newspaper have you bought? Where? Di mana? Kemana? Where is the nearest restaurant? Di mana restoran terdekat? Where is the library? Di mana perpustakaan? Where can I order this delicious fried chicken? Di mana saya bisa pesan ayam goreng yang lezat ini? Where can I meet you? Di mana saya bisa menemuimu? Where can I type this report? Di mana saya bisa mengetik laporan ini? Where can we try these clothes? Di mana kita bisa mencoba baju-baju ini? Where will he meet you? Di mana dia akan menemuimu? Where will you celebrate your birthday? Di mana kamu akan merayakan hari ulang tahunmu? Where will you go next Saturday? Kemana kamu akan pergi hari Sabtu depan? Where will Syahrini sing next Saturday? Di mana Syahrini akan bernyanyi hari Sabtu depan? Where will they live? Di mana mereka akan tinggal? Where did you teach in 1999? Di mana kamu mengajar tahun 1999? Where did you catch that big black mouse? Di mana kamu menangkap tikus hitam besar itu? Where did you get married? Di mana kamu menikah? Where did you buy this wedding ring? Di mana kamu membeli cincin kawin ini? Where did you see the white ghost last night? Di mana kamu melihat hantu putih tadi malam? Where did they study yesterday? Di mana mereka belajar kemarin? Where did you buy those shoes? Di mana kamu beli sepatu itu? Where did they watch Susanna's film? Di mana mereka nonton film Susana? Where did you eat lunch yesterday? Di mana kamu makan siang kemarin? Where do you usually meet them? Di mana kamu biasanya ketemu mereka? Where do you pay your school fee? Di mana kamu membayar uang sekolah? Where does he go every Friday? Kemana dia pergi setiap hari Jumat? Where does your younger sister go every Sunday? Kemana adik perempuanmu pergi setiap hari Minggu? Where does he go on Sundays? Kemana dia pergi setiap hari Minggu? Where are we going now? Kemana kita pergi sekarang? Where are they eating now? Di mana mereka makan sekarang? Where is he sleeping now? Di mana dia tidur sekarang? Where is she? Di mana dia? Where is he from? Dia berasal dari mana? Where does he come from? Dia berasal dari mana? Where are they? Di mana mereka? Where are they from? Mereka berasal dari mana? Where do they come from? Mereka berasal dari mana? Where have you been all this time? Kemana saja kamu selama ini? Where can I find a hospital nearby? Di mana saya bisa menemukan rumah sakit dekat sini? Where can I pay my credit card? Di mana saya bisa membayar kartu kredit saya? Where can I find a cheap restaurant? Di mana saya bisa menemukan rumah makan yang murah? Where does she live? Di mana dia tinggal? Where does he study? Di mana dia bersekolah? Where is the toilet? Di mana toiletnya? Where is the nearest money changer? Di mana tempat penukaran uang terdekat? Where's the girl now? Di manakah gadis itu sekarang? Where are you going? Kemana kamu akan pergi? Where are they eating? Kemana mereka akan makan? Di mana mereka akan makan? Where do they go every weekend? Kemana mereka pergi setiap akhir pekan? Where do you usually go on Sundays? Kemana kamu biasanya pergi pada hari Minggu? Where have you been? Dari mana saja kamu? Where will you go after the language class? Kemana kamu akan pergi setelah kelas bahasa? Where will she watch Luna Maya's film? Di mana mereka akan nonton film Luna Maya? When? Kapan? When will you accompany me going abroad? Kapan kamu akan menemani saya pergi ke luar negeri? When will he agree with my idea? Kapan dia akan setuju dengan ide saya? When will you announce about our gathering program? Kapan kamu akan mengumumkan acara kumpul-kumpul kita? When will you answer my email? Kapan kamu akan balas email saya? When will they continue their project? Kapan mereka akan meneruskan proyek mereka? When will we climb Slamet Mountain? Kapan kita akan mendaki Gunung Slamet? When will they follow our program? Kapan mereka akan ikut program kita? When will you forgive him? Kapan kamu akan memaafkan dia? When will you discuss about the date of our wedding? Kapan kamu akan mendiskusikan tentang tanggal pernikahan kita? When will you celebrate our birthday? Kapan kamu akan merayakan hari ulang tahunmu? When can you share about computer program? Kapan kamu bisa berbagi tentang program komputer? When can you download this useful video? Kapan kamu bisa mengunduh video yang berguna ini? When can she clean my room? Kapan dia bisa membersihkan kamar saya? When can you draw my face? Kapan kamu bisa menggambar wajah saya? When can I ask him? Kapan saya bisa bertanya ke dia? When can you cook for me? Kapan kamu bisa masak untuk saya? When should I bring English dictionary? Kapan saya sebaiknya membawa kamus bahasa Inggris? When do you usually go to traditional market? Kapan biasanya kamu pergi ke pasar tradisional? When do they go hometown? Kapan mereka pulang kampung? When does Ida usually drink coffee? Kapan Ida biasanya minum kopi? When does your boyfriend call you? Kapan pacarmu telepon kamu? When should I decide to say no? Kapan sebaiknya saya putuskan untuk mengatakan tidak? When did the owner build this building? Kapan pemiliknya membangun gedung ini? When did you apply for a job in that company? Kapan kamu melamar pekerjaan di perusahaan itu? When did you buy that car? Kapan kamu beli mobil itu? When did you first meet Reino? Kapan pertama kali kamu bertemu Reino? When did you break up with your girlfriend? Kapan kamu putus dengan pacarmu? When did you find it? Kapan kamu menemukannya? When did they become friends? Kapan mereka menjadi sahabat? When did you first come to Jakarta? Kapan pertama kali kamu datang ke Jakarta? When can you meet me? Kapan kamu bisa menemui saya? When can I call you? Kapan saya bisa menelpon kamu? When is your next day off? Kapan hari liburmu selanjutnya? When is your birthday? Kapan hari ulang tahunmu? When will the next train come? Kapan kereta selanjutnya akan datang? When will I see you again? Kapan saya akan ketemu kamu lagi? When will she get married? Kapan dia akan menikah? When will you come to my house? Kapan kamu akan ke rumahku? When did the accident happen? Kapan kecelakaannya terjadi? When did you send that letter? Kapan kamu mengirim surat itu? When will you go to a foreign country? Kapan kamu akan pergi ke luar negeri? Where will we watch the newest Indian film? Di mana kita akan nonton film India terbaru? When will they see you again? Kapan mereka akan menemuimu lagi? When will she call you? Kapan dia akan menelponmu? When will you submit your monthly report? Kapan kamu akan menyerahkan laporan bulananmu? When will we go there? Kapan kita akan pergi ke sana? When did you write that book? Kapan kamu menulis buku itu? When did you first receive salary? Kapan pertama kali kamu terima gaji? When did he meet you at the first time? Kapan dia ketemu kamu pertama kali? Why? Mengapa? Why do you want to buy that house? Kenapa kamu ingin beli rumah itu? Why do you miss me? Kenapa kamu merindukan saya? Why don't you love him anymore? Kenapa kamu tidak mencintai dia lagi? Why do you let him go? Kenapa kamu membiarkan dia pergi? Why don't you bring a dictionary? Kenapa kamu tidak bawa kamus? Why do they go to Bali every month? Kenapa mereka pergi ke Bali setiap bulan? Why don't you swim in that swimming pool? Kenapa kamu tidak berenang di kolam renang itu? Why do you pay my school fee for this month? Kenapa kamu membayar uang sekolah saya untuk bulan ini? Why don't you teach us anymore? Kenapa Anda tidak mengajar kita lagi? Why don't you know about that news? Kenapa kamu tidak tahu berita itu? Why does he put his glass on my laptop? Kenapa dia taruh gelasnya di atas laptop saya? Why does he bring a big bag? Kenapa dia membawa tas besar? Why are they eating in my room? Kenapa dia makan di kamar saya? Why are you thinking of me? Kenapa kamu mikirin saya? Why are they talking about our president? Mengapa mereka membicarakan tentang presiden kita? Why is she drinking my tea? Kenapa dia minum teh saya? Why did your manager build a house here? Kenapa manajer kamu membangun rumah di sini? Why did you say our secret in front of public? Kenapa kamu bilang rahasia kita di depan umum? Why did she make new regulation? Kenapa dia membuat peraturan baru? Why did you speak French yesterday? Kenapa kamu berbicara bahasa Prancis kemarin? Why did they send it late? Kenapa mereka mengirimnya terlambat? Why will he sing that love song? Kenapa dia akan menyanyikan lagu cinta itu? Why will we meet him in his office? Kenapa kita akan menemuinya di kantornya? Why will your grandma sell her old big white house? Kenapa nenekmu akan menjual rumah putih tuanya yang besar? Why will we choose number 4? Kenapa kita akan memilih nomor 4? Why will he buy a silver wedding ring, not gold? Kenapa dia akan membeli cincin kawin perak, bukan emas? Why will your friend celebrate her birthday in the garden? Kenapa temanmu akan merayakan hari ulang tahunnya di kebun? Why will he go to Paris? Kenapa dia akan pergi ke Paris? Why will you sign this letter? Kenapa kamu akan tanda tangani surat ini? Why do we go this way? Mengapa kita lewat sini? Why do you love me? Mengapa kamu mencintai saya? Why does the cat keep snoring? Mengapa kucing itu terus mendengkur? Why does the sun go on shining? Mengapa matahari terus bersinar? Why is Amanda late? Mengapa Amanda terlambat? Why is he angry? Mengapa dia marah? Why did you break the glass? Mengapa kamu memecahkan gelas? Why did she give me this nice bag? Mengapa dia memberi saya tas yang bagus ini? Why did she change her hairstyle? Kenapa dia mengubah gaya rambutnya? Why did they invite you? Kenapa mereka mengundang kamu? Why did you do that? Kenapa kamu melakukan itu? Why are you telling me about this? Kenapa kamu memberitahu aku tentang hal ini? Why are you crying? Kenapa kamu menangis? Why do you love me? Mengapa kamu mencintaiku? Why does the sun go on shining? Mengapa matahari terus bersinar? Why don't you love him? Mengapa kamu tidak mencintai dia? Why did they come late? Mengapa mereka datang terlambat? Why didn't you come to my house last night? Mengapa kamu tidak datang ke rumahku tadi malam? Why is he angry? Mengapa dia marah? Why are you angry? Mengapa kamu marah? Who? Siapa? Who is going to open a new restaurant in front of my house? Siapa yang akan membuka restoran di depan rumah saya? Who is going to make an invitation card for my manager? Siapa yang akan membuat kartu undangan untuk manajer saya? Who is going to take her to school? Siapa yang akan mengantar dia ke sekolah? Who is going to bring some food next week? Siapa yang akan membawa makanan minggu depan? Who will repair your car? Siapa yang akan memperbaiki mobilmu? Who will read the announcement? Siapa yang akan membaca pengumuman? Who will paint this house? Siapa yang akan mengecat rumah ini? Who has bought this expensive car? Siapa yang telah membeli mobil mahal ini? Who has watched my video? Siapa yang sudah menonton video saya? Who has read page 5? Siapa yang sudah membaca halaman 5? Who has done the homework? Siapa yang sudah mengerjakan PR? Who died last week? Siapa yang meninggal minggu lalu? Who ate my fried rice? Siapa yang makan nasi gorengku? Who told you the answer? Siapa yang memberitahu jawaban ke kamu? Who paid your boarding house last month? Siapa yang membayar kosmu bulan lalu? Who called you yesterday? Siapa yang menelpon kamu kemarin? Who gave this present? Siapa yang memberi hadiah ini? Who feels sad today? Siapa yang merasa sedih hari ini? Who let you go? Siapa yang membiarkan kamu pergi? Who forget to bring English books? Siapa yang lupa membawa buku-buku bahasa Inggris? Whom did you fight yesterday? Dengan siapa kamu berkelahi kemarin? Whom did you see in the market yesterday morning? Siapa yang kamu lihat di pasar kemarin pagi? Whom did you call this morning? Siapa yang kamu telepon tadi pagi? Whom does Sarah love? Sarah mencintai siapa? For whom did you buy an English novel last night? Untuk siapa kamu beli novel bahasa Inggris tadi malam? For whom did you cook last night? Untuk siapa kamu masak tadi malam? For whom did he write a love letter 2 days ago? Untuk siapa dia menulis surat cinta 2 hari yang lalu? With whom did your friend come here last night? Dengan siapa temanmu datang ke sini tadi malam? With whom are you going to get married? Dengan siapa kamu akan menikah? With whom will you go to Singapore? Dengan siapa kamu akan pergi ke Singapura? Who am I? Siapa saya? Who comes late? Siapa yang datang terlambat? Who gave you this wedding invitation? Siapa yang memberi kamu undangan nikah ini? Who kicked the ball yesterday? Siapa yang menendang bola kemarin? Who kissed you last night? Siapa yang mencium kamu tadi malam? Who is that girl? Siapa gadis itu? Who is paying for this? Siapa yang membayar ini? Who is she talking to? Dengan siapa dia berbicara? Who is she thinking? Siapa yang sedang dia pikirkan? Who do you think you are? Menurutmu, kamu siapa? Who can help me today? Siapa yang bisa bantu saya hari ini? Who can beat him at this match? Siapa yang bisa mengalahkannya di pertandingan ini? Who are they? Mereka siapa? Siapa mereka? Who are they pointing at? Mereka menunjuk siapa? Who will help her? Siapa yang akan membantu dia? Who will go with Anna to the party? Siapa yang akan pergi dengan Anna ke pesta? Who will go with me? Siapa yang mau pergi dengan saya? Whom is she talking to? Dengan siapa dia berbicara? Whom did you go with last night? Dengan siapa kamu pergi tadi malam? Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. See you again in my next video.